Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically sort out your projects on CapCut PC. So go to menu and go back to homepage, and you are just going to select a project that you want to rename. You can either rename it here, or you can double click on the project and rename the project there. Then it's just going to be saved as a project. If I go back to menu and go back to homepage, it's going to be like that. You can also duplicate the projects by right clicking on the project and selecting duplicate, or you can either right click on a project. For instance, maybe this one is empty, so let's go back to the homepage and right click or select this, these three dots, and select delete. Okay, you can also press select more than two and press delete, but I'm not sure what's on this one. Oh, okay, I think I want to delete it because I don't really need it, so I can select these by pressing control, or not by selecting, just select like that and then select it by pressing it, and just press delete and press delete to just sort out your project. So I have these which are important. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!